This is nature in the morning. Not that interesting, you know, sort of interesting. Here we are. They'll probably walk away like, let's fly away here. We're scared of the human. Sort of interesting. There's all the water, many animals in it. Yeah. Fascinating. Yes. Flapping their wings. Yeah, that's right. Flies to get away from me. Flies over there. And then I follow it. Well, that one. And then I follow it, and it's the same one over here. So drastically trying to get away from me, the human. Run, run, run to your fancy waterway over here in the Hudson River. There's another bird. It's just nature. Now it's on the thing in the middle over there. When I'm following these birds on land, then I have a train to catch. That's right. There's bird sounds in the sky, and there's a bird flying by. It's all interesting. It's nature, that's right. Good morning, nature. On Ken TV, the nature narrator. That's right. That's right.